Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine having a printer that's not just a printer, but a powerhouse for all your office needs, whether you're working from home or running a small business. That's exactly what we have with the HP 403X0, a #B1H OfficeJet Pro 9125E all-in-one printer. This isn't just any printer. It's a certified refurbished unit that's been fully tested to deliver like new performance, and it comes with a 90-day warranty for your peace of mind. But what really sets it apart? Let's dive in and find out. First off, this printer is from America's most trusted printer brand, HP, and it shows in the quality of the documents it produces. The OfficeJet Pro 9125E is designed for offices that need to print professional quality color documents like presentations, brochures, and flyers. With print speeds of up to 18 pages per minute in color and 22 pages per minute in black, you can get your work done quickly and efficiently. But it's not just about speed. The quality of the prints is outstanding, making it perfect for any business looking to make a great impression. Another feature that really impressed me is the wireless printing capability. With dual-band Wi-Fi, you can stay connected and print from anywhere in your office or home without having to deal with cumbersome cables. But what's even more impressive is that this printer automatically detects and resolves connection issues, so you can focus on your work without interruptions. Whether you're printing from your computer, smartphone, or tablet, the process is seamless and reliable. Speaking of smartphones, the HP app is another game changer. You can print, scan, copy, or fax right from your smartphone with the easiest-to-use print app out there. Imagine being able to scan a document and send it to someone instantly, or print out a report from your phone without having to turn on your computer. It's incredibly convenient and makes this printer a central hub for all your office needs. And let's not forget about the ink. With the instant ink delivery service, you get 3 months of printing included, and after that, you can subscribe to have ink delivered directly to your door before you run out. No more last-minute trips to the store or running out of ink in the middle of a critical print job. It's a small thing, but it makes a big difference in terms of convenience and cost savings. In conclusion, the HP 403X0, a #B1H OfficeJet Pro 9125E all-in-one printer, is an incredible piece of technology that can revolutionize the way you work. With its professional quality prints, wireless printing capabilities, ease of use through the HP app, and convenient ink delivery service, it's the perfect solution for any office or home office. And the best part? It's a certified refurbished unit that's been fully tested and backed by a warranty, so you can trust that it will deliver like new performance. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing printer and take your productivity to the next level. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.